Hi, I'm Teacher Cathy, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a crab and how to cook it with oyster sauce. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. After preparing the crab, these are the other ingredients that we need. Ginger, mga 3 slices. Chopped garlic, 1 whole chopped garlic. Sugar, about 1 teaspoon. 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. We need black pepper, water, sesame oil, shaoxing wine. In Chinese, this is called shaoxing jiu. And then we also need onion leeks. On a high heat, we need about 3 tablespoons of oil. Then we saute the ginger. When the ginger is brown, we add the onion leeks. And the chopped garlic. Then we add the crabs. Shaoxing wine, about 2 tablespoons. Sugar. Oyster sauce. Black pepper. And 1½ cup of water. We let this boil on a high heat. When it's boiling, it's time to add the shell. Now we prepare cornstarch and water to thicken the sauce. Now, it's time to add sesame oil. I hope you can smell that. Then that's it. This is it! Oyster sauce crab. I hope you like this video. Try this at home and thank you for watching!